Next up to receive his award, third place by
He does have it.
No, that's not his.
Chevy Bel Air, owned by Jerry Heck. Third place.
He has an orange S10 and a black race truck that he races at Lancaster. Wow. Oh, look at that one. I'm not doing Facebook Live, I'm doing a video. Jesus.
We'll check out that one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I like that. I like these two right here.
That's a class hottie.
I should have brought his Jeep here and polished it up.
Why would I bring my Jeep here? These are all old cars.
You know you can go in the water. Yes, it is. There's the water. It goes in the water. It goes in the water.
Still making a video?
Yeah.
What's up, people? Hey, peeps.
It's amazing how much sunburn you can get when you have your arm out the window on the car.
Turbo fire.
That's clean.
275 horsepower.
That is very clean. Cadillac, pop that. Oh.
Nice. Yeah, 3 to not on it.
You want to look around this new cool car.
Oh, yo. Yo, I think those are Dodgers. Really?
SS.
What do you think this is? That's a Dodge or what?
It's a Plymouth.
Like this one.
It's a GMC. Rick Savage? Sounds like the wrestler. Cobra.
21 Savage.
326 turbojet, 350 horsepower. This thing's freaking sexy.
Damn.
You can race this at Lancaster Speedway, dude.
My dad's truck would beat that.
You never know.
Could raise
No,
any
I
cars.
do know.
Dude,
Could raise any cars on the
I know that your dad will beat. I know your dad comes will beat, but not everything. But he will beat that.
God, you could raise anything on Lancaster Speedway.
What, even your feet? What, even my car?
No, cars, trucks, motorcycles, mini bikes. Yeah, I hate
Four-wheelers.
mini bikes. Four-wheelers, yeah.
Oh, check that out. Sweet.
These boxes are cut as well.
Oh, they even got a fan in that car.
Oh my god, 19 something.
I think we should pick that up for the guy or something.
No, we don't have to.
What's that? Old mobile,
Fire extinguisher.
Oh, nice. I like those.
This probably can take nitrous.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Fucking, what is that? Fucking. Guys, check out these things, dude.
Hey Kyle, you have any money on you? God damn it. Small ass car inside. Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that is small.
So it's 2 people.
That is Corvette.
Okay. In my way, won't you come my way?
No, you just did that last one.
I did that actually.
Look at that sweet car right there. The last one. I bet John's getting high right now. John, come look at this one. Jeez.
So freaking small.
Check out the skull on the window.
Yeah, these are actually drag race tires. Big. Yep. See, drag race car.
That's where Cradle had those things.
They play all different kinds. They're in the smaller one.
I'm gonna go towards the Jeep.
What?
I'm gonna go towards the Jeep.
Why?
Cause I didn't really bring any sunscreen. I don't want to get sunburned.
Oh my God.
Oh yes, I will. You don't believe me? Ask my mom. You put me on the beach for 3 hours.
It's not even 3 hours.
I said put me on the beach for 5 hours.
You know what kind that is? One of you guys guess that car right? I'll shoot my dreams. What kind is that? Right there. You don't know?
It's on GTA San Andreas.
You know what that is, Kyle? You know what it is? El Camino.
So?
Yeah, it wasn't a it's a half car, half pickup. You're so kidding that I'm so learning.
I know he would do it.
Let's go back to the Jeep.
That's
The smell of diesel.
It's not diesel, it's gas.
that's gas.
Now those are racing tires.
Hell yeah.
Oh, check out that.
Shiny.
My dad used to have one of these, but he sold it.
So bad.
Whoa. Barracuda. It's just a regular car.
Wow. It's not that cool.
Next up to receive his award with the 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, second place, Class 14, Ray Jakowski.
Spare tires. There's spares. Go see how we know.
Okay, receiving his award, second place, Class 10, 1969 Chevy Camaro, John May. Congratulations. Next up to receive
Look at
his
that little
award,
car, Kyle.
Oh, look at that chopper.
Oh my God.
third
Sweet.
place,
That's
Class
sweet.
11, with the 1970
Yo, look at this, Kyle.
Yeah, that's yours.
That doesn't count. Come on, John.